Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving deep into a topic that's super important for job seekers, career changers, and anyone looking to move to or work in the UAE. High-demand jobs in the UAE. The UAE is known worldwide as a business and innovation hotspot, but with rapid growth and diversification, knowing which jobs are actually in demand can be the difference between landing your dream role or getting lost in the competition. So today, I'm going to share the most in-demand sectors and roles, talk about the skills employers want, and give you practical tips on how to position yourself to win in the UAE job market. If you want to future-proof your career and tap into the opportunities this dynamic market offers, make sure you watch the whole video. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss career insights like this. Let's get started. Section 1. The UAE job market landscape. The UAE has undergone a massive transformation over the past 2 decades. From an oil-dependent economy, it has grown into a global hub for finance, technology, tourism, and more. According to recent reports, the UAE's economy is projected to grow steadily over the next few years, creating thousands of new jobs every year across different sectors. One of the biggest drivers is the country's focus on economic diversification. The government is heavily investing in sectors like renewable energy, artificial intelligence, healthcare, and smart city projects, all of which are creating a lot of new opportunities. Plus, with Expo 2020 Dubai and other mega events, the demand for professionals in tourism, hospitality, and event management surged and continues to grow. But the UAE is not just about the numbers. It's also about the people. The country's multicultural environment means employers value adaptability and cross-cultural communication skills as much as technical expertise. If you're thinking about moving here or applying remotely, understanding this landscape will help you choose the right path. Tamashu 2. In-depth look at high-demand sectors and jobs. Break this into subsections with examples and mini-stories. Technology and IT. The UAE's tech sector is booming, especially in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. The government's UAE Vision 2021 plan highlights digital transformation as a priority, with investments in AI, blockchain, and smart government initiatives. Some of the hottest jobs include software developers. Companies want experts in JavaScript, Python, and mobile app development to build innovative solutions. Cybersecurity specialists. With cyber threats increasing globally, protecting data and infrastructure is critical. Data scientists and analysts. Businesses rely on data-driven decisions, so analysts who can interpret big data are highly valued. Cloud engineers. As companies move to cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, specialists in these areas are in huge demand. Mini-story. I spoke with a friend who recently landed a role as a cloud solutions architect in Dubai. He told me how his AWS certification and hands-on experience with cloud migration projects made him stand out among hundreds of applicants. Healthcare. The healthcare sector has seen rapid growth due to population increase and medical tourism. The UAE aims to become a regional medical hub. High-demand jobs include doctors, nurses, radiologists, and healthcare administrators. Statistic. According to Gulf Business, healthcare spending in the UAE is expected to exceed $20 billion by 2025, meaning more job openings and investments in advanced medical technologies. Mini-story. One nurse I interviewed said that hospitals in Dubai offer attractive packages and continuous training, making it a great destination for healthcare professionals. Finance and accounting. The UAE's financial sector, centered in Dubai International Financial Center, DIFC, and Abu Dhabi Global Market, ADGM, attracts global banks and fintech startups. High-demand roles are financial analysts, compliance officers, auditors, blockchain experts. If you're certified with CPA, CFA, or have experience in risk management, you're ahead of the curve. Engineering and construction. Mega infrastructure projects like Dubai Expo, Dubai Creek Harbor, and Abu Dhabi's new developments require civil, electrical, and mechanical engineers. Experienced project managers and safety engineers are also highly sought after. Statistic: the UAE's construction market is forecasted to grow by 5 to 6% annually in the next 5 years, fueling demand for skilled engineers. Renewable energy and sustainability. The UAE is pushing towards sustainability with solar energy projects like the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park. Jobs in this sector include renewable energy engineers, environmental consultants, sustainability managers. If you're passionate about green energy, this sector offers long-term growth and impact. Fun tourism and hospitality. With tourism rebounding post-pandemic, hotels, airlines, and event management companies are hiring aggressively. Roles in demand include hotel managers, chefs, tour guides, event coordinators. Education and training. Growing demand for quality education means teachers, trainers, and curriculum developers, especially in STEM subjects and English language teaching, are needed. Many international schools and training centers offer competitive salaries and benefits. Section 3. What employers really look for? Skills and certifications. Having the right qualifications is just the start. UAE employers also look for soft skills, communication, teamwork, problem-solving, and intercultural skills. Language skills. Fluency in English is essential. Arabic is a plus in some sectors. Digital skills. Familiarity with tools like Microsoft Office, ERP software, or programming languages. Professional certifications. For example, PMP for project managers, CISSP for cybersecurity, or CMA for accountants. Mini advice: invest time in online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning. This shows initiative and helps you keep up with global standards. Section 4. Tips to position yourself for success in the UAE market. To boost your chances. 1. Tailor your resume, highlight relevant experience and keywords for the job. 2. Network actively. Use LinkedIn to connect with recruiters and professionals in your industry. 3. Prepare for interviews. Understand cultural nuances and common interview questions in the UAE. 4. Gain local experience. Internships or contract roles can help if you're new to the market. 5. Stay updated on visa rules. Work permits and sponsorship rules can change, so stay informed. Story: I met a candidate who improved his Arabic basics and cultural knowledge before interviewing. It helped him build rapport with the hiring manager and got him the job. Conclusion and call to action. So there you have it, a detailed guide to the high-demand jobs in the UAE right now. Which sector excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want me to cover any specific careers in more detail, let me know. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends who are job hunting. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.